Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you some interesting technique with respect to multiplications. I will showing you two different techniques which are easy to use when multiplying two digits number without using calculator. With these techniques, the multiplications can be done within 3 seconds for any given two digits number. Hope that these two methods can improve your multiplication skills. Let me show you the first method. This method is only applicable to the number within 11 to 19. Let's look at the first example. When we want to multiply 11 times 12, the first step is we can take the first number 11 plus the last digits of the 12, which is 2, and equal to 13. And we know that 11 times 12, it will give us the answer with 3 digits. So we will multiply 13 with 10, it will equal to 130. Then step 2, we consider the last digit of the two numbers, which is 1 and 2. Then we multiply 1 multiply 2, which is equal to 2. Then we will use 113, which obtained from the step 1, plus 2 that we obtained from step 2. It will equal to 132. So 11 times 12 will equal to 132. Second example, when we want to multiply 12 times 13. The first step is take the first numbers 12 plus the last digit of the 13, 3, which will give us answer is 15. Then because 12 times 13 will give us 3 digits solution, then 15 times 10 it becomes 150. Then let's look at the last digit from the two number. We take 2 times 3, it will be 6. So 150 plus 6 will give us 156. So 12 times 13 will equal to 156. Is that this method easy to use? Let's look at the third example. 14 times 15. When we have 14 times 15, so first take the 14 plus 5, which is equal to 19. Then 19 multiply with 10, which is equal to 190. Then we take the last digit, 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. We sum 190 plus 20, which is give us 210. So 14 times 15 will equal to 210. Let's look at 16 times 17. 16 plus 7 will give us 23. 23 times 10, which is 230. Then 6 times 7 will be 42. 230 plus 42 will be 272. So 16 times 17, which is equal to 272. 18 times 19. 18 plus 9, which is equal to 27. Then 27 times 10, which is equal to 270. Then 8 times 9, which is equal to 72. 270 plus 72 will give us 342. Let me introduce the second method. This method is applicable to any two digits number which is started from 11 to 99. Let's look at the first example. 13 times 12. The method will start with the first step is we consider the first digits from the two number 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. And we know that 13 times 12 will give the answer with 3 digits number. So the 1 will become 100. Then we consider the last digits of the first number and also the first digit of the second number, which is 3 times 1 will equal to 3. This 3 will become 30, and the first digit of the first number and the last digit of the second number, 1 times 2 will equal to 2, and these two will also form the 20. Then last step is we consider the last digit from the two numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. So we total up 100 plus 30 plus 20 and plus 6, which is equal to 156. So 13 times 12 will equal to 156. Let's consider the second example. When we want to multiply 19 times 18, we consider the first digit from the two numbers. 1 times 1 equal to 1. And we know that 19 times 18 will give 3 digits numbers in solution. So this one will become 100. Then we consider the last digit from the first number and the first digit from the second number. 9 times 1 is equal to 9, which this form 90. And 1 times 8 is equal to 8, which is form 80. The last step is 9 times 8. And this will equal to 72. We then total up 100 plus 90 plus 80 plus 72 will give 342. So 19 plus 18 will equal to 342. When we want to multiply 21 times 11, we consider the first digit from the two number is 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And we know that 21 times 11 will give 3 digits solution, so these 2 will become 200. Then 1 times 1 equal to 1, which gives 10. 2 times 1 is equal to 2, which gives 20. And 1 times 1 equal to 1, which gives 1. We total out, and we will have 21 times 11 will equal to 231. When we multiply 29 times 67, 2 times 6 is 12. So it means 29 times 67 will give 4-digit solution. So this 12 becomes 1200. Then we consider 9 times 6 is 54. This 54 will become 540. And 2 times 7 is 14. 14 will become 140. 9 times 7 will become 63. So we total up, we will get 29 times 67 will equal 1943. Let's consider this example. 35 times 48. 3 times 4 is 12, and this 12 will become 1200. It's because 35 times 48 will give 4 digits solution. Then 5 times 4 is 20. This 20 will form 200. 3 times 8 will form 24. This 24 will form 240. 5 times 8 is 40. This will become 40. Total up, we will have 35 times 48 will equal to 1680. Let's consider 64 times 57. 6 times 5 is 30, which gives 3000. As 64 times 57 will give 4 digits number. Then 4 times 5 is 20, will give 200. 6 times 7 will equal to 42, which gives 420. 4 times 7 will equal to 28, and we total up, and we will have 64 times 57 will equal to 3648. From this method too, we found that if we master this method, we are able to calculate the 2 digits number within 3 seconds without using calculator. So I hope that these 2 methods that I introduced in this video will help you, especially for primary and secondary students, and with the case of calculator is not allowed. Thank you.